Dear students of 12th class, today I'll be teaching you the indigo problem, the story Indigo written by Louis Fisher, narrates Gandhiji's struggle for the poor peasants of district Champaran of Bihar. The peasants were sharecroppers with the British planters. According to an old agreement, the Britishers asked for compensation to release them from the agreement of the sharecroppers 15% of indigo harvest. It means that peasants or farmers had to produce indigo on 15% of the land and give it as rent to the landlords. Then Indian sharecroppers learned about the synthetic indigo and they asked their money back. Ultimately, they went to courts. My dear students, under the British government or under the British rule, many farmers in the Champaran district of Bihar were forced to grow indigo in their lands. So indigo is a plant, it is a pea plant, and you can just see this is the indigo plant. This is indigo plant. तो ये प्लांट इससे डाई निकाला जाता है, डाई एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम दिस प्लांट. So an effective leadership under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. You can watch this picture. Under the effective leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, solved this problem. And the leadership shown by Mahatma Gandhi to secure justice for the poor, for the oppressed people. He was forced to leave Champaran, but he resisted. And the picture depicts how Gandhiji's work to fight for the cause of downtrodden, voiceless, oppressed, poor, who were under the rule of oppressive British rule. So, my dear students, Champaran episode was a turning point in Gandhiji's life. Gandhiji with the help of lawyers, especially Rajendra Prasad. So they fought bravely for the justice of poor peasants, for the justice of these oppressed peasants. Now, here it is just like a brainstorming activity for you. You can see here the Champaran peasants, and the first person who met Gandhi ji and shared the miseries of the people in Lucknow, and his name was Rajkumar Shukla. Rajkumar Shukla is the main character in the story Indigo. He plays a very pivotal role in the story, and we must appreciate his determination and his persistence, his bravery, and his alertness of mind. And he was able to convince us, to motivate Mahatma Gandhi ji about the problems of peasants in Champaran district. And ultimately, जब जुल्म बढ़ता है तो मिट भी जाता है, तो under the dynamic leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, who worked with the lawyers, especially Rajendra Prasad, who was later the president of Indian National Congress, and they were able to they became successful in giving justice to the peasants, to the poor peasants. As I already told you, an agreement was that 15% of the land they should grow indigo plants, and the farmers were deprived of the indigo harvest. लेकिन इनको हार्वेस्ट लगाना था, लेकिन हार्वेस्ट से इनको महरूम रखा जाता था. British government would take the harvest, but no compensation to these poor farmers. So this was the first civil disobedience movement led by Mahatma Gandhi, first and historical civil disobedience movement. So lastly, victory was in the favor of these poor peasants. It was only possible because of the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. So my dear students, this is all for today. You can go through the lesson, Indigo, at page number 46, 47, 46, 47, 48, 49. Have a good day.